Hi, my name is James Chadwick. You may call me Sir James Chadwick. I was born from the 20th of October, and unfortunately, I had my last day of living on the 24th of July, 1974. I discovered the existence of neutron while I was only 32, and that is when my name was being spread by more and more papers and chit-chats going on from people's conversation. Naturally, not just putting all of my time into my experiments, I also had hobbies that has absolutely nothing to do in my labs. I love to do gardening and fishing while having free time. You're definitely amazed by that, right? At the August of 1925, I met my lover, Aline Stewart Brown. And not for long, God gave us a twin. We named them Joanna and Judith. Now way back then, in 1923, I tested out an experiment to see if my hypothesis is true. I put a piece of beryllium in a vacuum chamber with some polonium. The polonium emitted alpha rays. How it has struck the beryllium. As it struck the beryllium, it will transmit into a mysterious neutron rays. As you can see, it's kind of like how Rutherford worked, but instead of using gold foil, I used a sheet of beryllium and a paraffin block, a kind of wax. From an invigorate test, I was able to prove to you guys that a proton-sized neutral particle, which is now being called as a neutron, existed. I bombarded shell wax. The wax is because the protons were left out. Therefore, I made some adjustments and measurements of the behavior, which led it to a whole new elementary particle proton. I studied under Rutherford while Rutherford proved the hydrogen nucleus is present in other nucleus. I showed that there were uncharged particles. The neutrons had a similar mass of the protons but didn't have the same characteristics as the protons. Because of my experiment and my discovery of neutrons, I was best known during 1932 as a neutron scientist. This is what I will share with you guys today. Talking for this long, I will be indeed depressed if you didn't learn a single thing. Want to be someone like me? Then you definitely need to learn more about the neutrons.